Hello viewers, this is another important notice forwarded by Guwahati University connecting with postgraduate admission. Here we will discuss about the PG admission process for Guwahati University Department and Guwahati University affiliated colleges. So all are requested to watch the video with immense seriousness. If you are new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy my video after the intro. Guwahati University on 3rd August 2021 has forwarded a notice connecting with postgraduate admission process. As per the notice, it is given that the admission committee meeting held on 15th July 2021 has taken a decision to conduct the postgraduate admission process for GU department and GU affiliated college strictly on basis of MCQ based offline entrance examination for the session 2021-22. Only to cope up with the UGC guidelines to complete the whole admission process latest by September 2021 and entrusted the Secretary University classes Guwahati University to get necessary approval for the Honorable Vice Chancellor. As per this notice, it has also said that there will be a common entrance test for admission into different postgraduate courses to be conducted by Guwahati University for both University Department and affiliated colleges of the university. For the session 2021, admission will be based on strictly on the performance and eligibility criteria of the entrance exam. Means there will be a offline entrance exam. Those who want to take admission on postgraduate courses, they have to appear a entrance test, MCQ based test, and based on that test, the seats or eligibility for getting admission is permissible. As per the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education, Government of India, notification number 12/2019 U1 dated 7 January 2020, economically weaker section, that is 10% for the unreserved category will be included into different postgraduate courses for the university department and the affiliated college of the university. 10% student seats will be reserved for weaker section. In admission into the traditional program, 80% of the total intake will be reserved for Guwahati University. Remaining 20% will be reserved for other university student. Means what? For student of Guwahati University, 80% seat will be reserved and remaining 20% will be reserved for the other universities. All seats in the indisciplinary program the study are open for all students irrespective of any universities. Now, as per the notice, it is said that for taking admission into PG courses, as per the student requirement, they have to sit in an offline entrance exam, and this exam will be based MCQ exam. And based on that entrance test, seats will be permissible, and it will be completely on merit basis. Okay. 80% will be reserved for Guwahati University graduates and 20% will be reserved for other university students. And for economically weaker section, 10% will be from unreserved, will be extracted from the unreserved category. Now, this is all about the information. So everyone have get ready for that entrance test. Those who want to pursue master degree or postgraduate courses in the coming time under Guwahati University Department or any other Guwahati University affiliated college. Okay, as per the internal information, it is not forwarded in the notice. You all must have to fill up for admission entrance before 14th August 2021. Okay, before 14/20/21 you have to apply for entrance test, and most probably the exam will be conducted between 21st of August. So all of you get ready for your entrance test, and best of luck for your future. Thank you.